to be awarded by SK Kagawad, Eddie Tocampo, and SK Chairwoman Pia Odo.
Alright, so we will now proceed with the awarding of Victoria Bikini Female category.
Yes.
Congratulations, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Congratulations, candidate number.
Lalaki babae.
6, Joy Corita.
Ayan, palagpakan naman natin.
6.
Ayan, sumama ka na sa ating male category. You are Victoria Bikini Award, Choice Award. Candidate number 6, Justoni Mate. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin. Ayan po, awarded sila ng ating mga barangay Kagawad and SK Chairwoman Pia Odo for photo ops po. Ayan, sama na lang din tayo sa shots. Ang dami na yung picture for tonight's video. Gil, mamaya na tayo ng barangay nila. Kasi Gil, napunta din ako dito.
Alright, so we will now proceed in awarding our Choice Bikini Female category. Congratulations, candidate number 2, Sky Wheels.
Okay, for the male category, Choice Bikini Male Category Award.
Lalaki yun.
Ikaw yun. Candidate number 2, John Ray Malunar. Ayan, palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan, awarded din po natin muna yung lalaki. SK Kagawad Rochelle, please come na lang po sa atin. Pasensya na po
Dyan muna kayo. Gitna ka na. Yan. Yan ang hinig niya naman sa Rochelle Alma. Ewan ka na, be. Wala kami kamay mamaya. Napakatalaga ni
Alright, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will now be awarding the Sports Bikini Female category. Congratulations, ikaw out as a Sports Bikini Female category candidate number.
To be awarded by Ms. Janani from the Office of the Vice Mayor. And of course, Admin Leng. Tapos na po si Admin mag-award kanina. Madam Francia from the Office of... okay, sige po. Lopon Weng, no? And si... Ayan na. Go ahead, partner.
Alright, to receive the Sports Bikini Female category, congratulations, candidate number 6, Joy Corita.
Palakpakan po natin. Ikaw din ang Sports Bikini Male Category winner. Candidate number 5, Raymond Amorin. Ayan.
Congratulations sa ating mga winners.
Lapot na mo medyo. Okay.
Alright,
This is already the last category.
yes. For the Wide Bikini Female category, congratulations. Candidate number 2, Sky Wheels.
And for the White Bikini Male category, you are the winner, candidate number Number 6, Jestoni Mati. Ang dami naming basyo, ang hirap mag-host. Pao, dapat ganito. Pao, ganito dapat. Ang daming judges.
Ba't walang key?
Ayan.
Congratulations sa mga ating mga winners.
Yes,
for the minor awards. Yes, awards.
Sis, magpapahinga muna ba sila? Pinafinalize natin para sa stage ng awarding now.
I think we have the results.
Okay, you can now rest muna, candidates. Mamaya, determinate lang natin. Mamaya, we will announce the winner. Tamora!